Em Kakel, Animakemo, em último, Carl Gakran, em Cho, Anglenito, Angoicato, Choclen, Macunacuteto, Brasil, do Teleto, Mata Atlântica, Catemo, em Cho, Aveia, Catema.
Hello, my name is Carl Gakran. I'm an indigenous Shoklan living in the Atlantic rainforest in southern Brazil.
Chocuteto, Dr. Lene, Yeto, País do Nhanma, Cuna Prêmio Equatorial, pronto, 2023, PNUD, To Anlique, Cuteto, Lene, na Mecambermo.
I am the president of the Zág Institute, an indigenous environmental preservation organization. We are the winners of the Equator Prize 2023, promoted by the United Nations Development Program, UNDP.
Ang ato the clarity yeto a klegma, ki prokti teyete, ato Cuteto, Lene, yena, to vaite.
We protect the majestic Zág tree, which can grow for over 1,000 years. We are the guardians of that forest.
Pachuca duogu e yukti kangnangmo, oktokuteme, niku kek veku cho yu omble nyalema, duogu em Taimo.
100 years ago, my people suffered a great genocide for not accepting contact with the colonizers. I am one of the survivors.
Instituto Dagmo Kozei Kambuka Kagmo, Dugogmo ang Yopalagmo, ki ang Yokreti Tovai Kitunate, ki Kangling Je, ang Anato Gotokti Tovai Tunte.
Our job is to be stewards of nature. We not only protect, but also reforest our biome, which is sacred to my people. The Zág Institute has already planted thousands of trees using our ancestral technology to germinate seeds from almost extinct species. We also fight illegal logging in our territory, remove invasive species, and restore degraded areas.
Zuogu Tongomble Kuteme Kenu Kemu Dongdente, Koto Vangong Nonde Okto Toleneva.
We are the forest protecting itself. Today, we're gathered to recognize not only the beauty, but the vital essence of our planet, nature.
Angato kutema, kide alikena nonde, kuwa aktotolenema.
In a world where climate change and the loss of biodiversity challenge the sustainability of life as we know it, it is important that we join forces. Nature is not just a beautiful landscape, it is the basis of our existence.
Untoli acto kuteto akregye acto noma pit kuta te ayanglona ki tovaimo injugo mu in tongeku injo do palagmo.
The trees that provide us with oxygen, the oceans that regulate the climate, the biodiversity that balances the ecosystems, all of this is intrinsically interconnected and crucial to our survival. The history of my Shoklang people spans more than 6,000 years, a journey reaching wisdom and connection with nature.
Ang yomba to planeta chileni teye na u anyang ang Yeklit pilite kuna lain-layang, kutemu pilite, ditana tonge kuna imblelike.
The majestic Araucaria, our sacred tree that we protect, plant, and monitor, has existed for 250 million years. And today, only 6 trees remain that are more than 1,000 years old. This is a stark reminder of the fragility of our environment.
Kodeito ang yang lele agmonem, goyum zimbagmo akoikang gagmo, kutemble ang kle tongeta te, nani ang yombati me agmo ta ute, kuma ve kuma imbleli ke.
Our tree is at extreme risk of extinction, according to the IUCN, and it is our entire biome, as it is our entire biome. It wasn't us who destroyed the forest, but now it is up to us to recover it.
Actor, the toleni ku kanglema, tongekuna yopalakte, ton mu tak tuto pili mu velite.
We are at a critical moment. Every tree planted, every animal protected, every effort to restore degraded ecosystems is an investment in our shared future.
Bahana akekuna tolainlanya, plok tank mang, quadei kakak nate, toleni nate, tonli yombati mu toke, pante, angana to vai zolo kunte.
It is crucial to influence globally. Through our mission and actions, we can inspire others to join us in this journey to preserve what is essential for life.
Bahana lain laite, katen, imblelike, emblema vai ngok pilitate, ang yang lengu ta lain lain yang.
So I invite everyone to join this movement. Let's turn awareness into action.
Acto, aklelito angoikato tite, kute wachoka injugmu dugongble likemu, e algu tokti likevenmo.
Together, we can change the current trajectory and guarantee a legacy of balance and respect for nature for future generations.
Yugogu yakretimu acto yopalamu, ku octo in nyo tenla kuma on mokamben.
The time to act is now. We can't put off until tomorrow what is vital for our survival.
Ku nchoka tema mo amaiva, me ato vekuta inkle ta mo tanenga yukte, acto dek toleli ku lain nondengma.
We indigenous peoples know how to live in harmony with the forest, and we want to share our way of life through nature-based solutions.
Acto tonge kuna nalima mena imblelike angana to ngotok ti tolelinya angana ngotok ti vekuna likete utate.
Our grandparents prepared us for this moment. Today, we are here to ask for help and partnership to continue our work, and with the certainty that we will take our sacred tree out of extinction. Thank you.